Start. Fuel consumption has become an increasingly consequential issue as transportation systems expand and petroleum reserves face mounting pressure. Stop. The prodigious utilization of petrol and diesel has generated economic karma, environmental and geopolitical complications that demand meticulous consideration. Stop. Modern automobiles, although equipped with sophisticated engines and aerodynamically refined structures, can still exhibit substantial fuel expenditure when driven irresponsibly. Stop. Aggressive acceleration, abrupt braking, excessive idling, and unnecessarily elevated speeds invariably increase consumption. Stop. Para. The disproportionate dependence on fossil fuels has intensified atmospheric pollution through the release of deleterious hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and other particulate contaminants. Stop. These emissions contribute to ecological degradation and exacerbate the accumulation of greenhouse gases. Stop. Consequently, governments and manufacturers are pursuing technologically innovative alternatives, including hybrid propulsion, battery powered vehicles, and hydrogen based systems. Stop. Nevertheless, the transition towards sustainable mobility remains intricately connected with infrastructure, affordability, accessibility, and consumer behavior. Stop. Para. Fuel efficiency can be substantially improved through judicious maintenance and disciplined driving practices. Stop. Correct tire pressure, timely replacement of lubricants, unobstructed air filters, and properly functioning engines can reduce unnecessary resistance and mechanical inefficiency. Stop. Drivers should also avoid carrying superfluous loads because additional weight compels the engine to expend greater energy. Stop. Similarly, prolonged idling outside schools, offices, or commercial establishments constitutes a needless wastage of combustible resources. Stop. Para. Public transportation offers another pragmatic mechanism for diminishing per capita fuel consumption. Stop. Buses, trains, and shared mobility services can transport numerous passengers while consuming considerably less fuel per individual. Stop. Urban planners must therefore formulate comprehensive strategies that discourage excessive private vehicle dependence and encourage efficient public transit. Stop. Para. Ultimately, responsible fuel consumption requires multifaceted cooperation among motorists, manufacturers, policymakers, and communities. Stop. Conscientious driving, scientific innovation, and prudent resource management can collectively moderate fuel demand. Stop. If societies continue pursuing unsustainable consumption without restraint, future generations may confront severe economic instability, environmental deterioration, and energy insecurity. Stop. Conversely, progressive policies combined with individual responsibility can transform transportation into a more economical, resilient, and environmentally compatible system. Stop. Such measures preserve reserves and strengthen long term national energy independence. Stop.